Okay, welcome to week 4. This week we're focusing on doing some actual research in the Pioneer Library, and for some groups you'll be introduced to the portfolio and the service learning project. From here on out, just make sure you know which group you're in, whether it be General, Tier 1, or Tier 2. And the way you'll know is it should be that those are the only assignments that you'll see. So for instance, for me, under Books, Encyclopedias, and Government Documents, I see General, Tier 1, and Tier 2, but you will only see one of these, and the one that you see is the group that you're in. So from here on out, it's almost like this course is 3 different classes going on at once. Sometimes we do the same assignments, and sometimes we have different assignments. So these introductions will be a little confusing, and I'll just try to keep it short because it'll make more sense to you to look at your week and see what you have to do that week rather than trying to figure out what everyone else is doing. So just do the assignments that for the group that you're in. If it doesn't say General or Tier 1 or Tier 2 and it just says an assignment, you do that one as well. Okay, so we're going to be talking about books, encyclopedias, and government documents and finding those sources. Also finding scholarly articles, scholarly journal articles, and that is in the, again, in the Pioneer Library. Just so you know, let me make sure, now that I'm thinking about it. Okay, actually I have not published, I'm going to, in your right-hand column of the course, I will put a link to the Pioneer Library and also the current username and password. The username is Pioneer and the password is Discover to get into the Pioneer Library. That changes each year, so make sure you're aware of that. Okay, back to week 4. Moving on, the general group will be talking about credible websites. Other groups will be doing that later in later weeks. So just, again, look at that according to which group you're in. And then at the end of the week, we're going to introduce you to the Research Portfolio and Service Learning Project. Please just read and watch those resources so you know what's coming by the end of the quarter. And at the end of the week, make sure if you've submitted all of your week 4 assignments by Friday at noon, you'll get extra credit. And also tweet for week 4, and you can get extra credit as well for that. And thanks for all of those of you that are participating in the Twitter feed. It's always fun to hear what people are saying. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any questions about the groupings. Of course, I'm here to answer any of those as well. Thanks.